my family, it's not they don't like to my family guys is if the new one, they are not. This is good for me, so I will put this in the fridge, in the freezer, and if I like to eat this one, I am going to make it fry. So yeah, this one guys, I wrap it, wrapper. I will try to cook this one. I'll fry. I will fry after this one guys. It's not very good, but wait. I need to remove this one guys, slowly. Actually, mashed potato, it's a nice food. It's a very yummy food, but my family doesn't like it. They are thinking that mashed potato is like just a sweet potato that every time they eat. No? So I am the one to eat this one because I like this. This mashed potato sometimes is gold price. A gold price. Fry na guys. So I'm done. This is it. We will try to fry even 2 pieces or 3 pieces. Let's try how it looks like. And this one is left again. There's still have a lot. Still. Yan, little dark here in my kitchen, but there's early. Okay guys, we will try it now. Okay. Ay, very hot out. So we will try if it's going to work good. Yay. Yan, so guys, this one ready. We will check it. Ay, di pa ata nag-ano. Wow, look at this. Ay, bakit ayaw mong bumaliktad? Ayan, look at this. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, very yummy. Very yummy this one guys. So guys, hi. Ito na yung ating niluto na mashed potato with this one. Actually, ang dami niya talagang oil. Sobrang oily na siya guys. That's why next time I'm not going to make it put in the oil, but it's just a little no. I'm not good also to the oil. So, but the oil that I use is social oil. What I mean is the oil that I buy in the mall, not in the in everywhere. Like what I buy it. This oil is Maria. Masarap siya guys, very yummy. Very yummy, but it's kind of very oily. Sarap niya guys. Mainit lang. Sarap niya guys. Ubos na naman. Oh. Lingo? Yeah, very hot. So this one is very yummy guys, but very absorbed by the oil, no? So this is good, but lots of oil inside. You need to be careful na lang next time that no need to put some oil. No, it's just make some no oil, like make hot only in the pan. It's a lot of oil. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching guys. God bless and thank you.